Alright guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm finally back and making another video. And as like always, as most of my videos, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, like a good old classic unboxing video. And what I'm unboxing today is this. Hold on, let me show you real quick. So this is a 2-in-1 gaming combo, like from Keji, I think. So this is like a membrane keyboard with like a normal mouse that I might not use because this is still cooler, but still, this is a mouse that I'm probably going to review and test out. So it's a plug and play RGB lighting and yeah, all that stuff. So we're going to be unboxing this, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna unbox this, but it's a water bottle that I got from Officeworks because I just went to Officeworks just then. I got this as well. It's a stainless steel, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, stainless steel, black coated drink bottle. That's gonna be replacing my like a 1-year-old orange drink bottle that I don't really have a use for anymore since I bought this. And I also have this, which I don't use either. But yeah. So let's just get to unboxing this. So like, I know the question that'll come up is that why would I switch to a membrane keyboard when I already have a mechanical keyboard? Well, basically, this thing is like very crusty and dirty. That's not the main reason. It's also like really loud. I don't know if you can hear this. So when I like use my computer at all at like night or when it's like really early in the morning, I get noticed by like everyone in the neighborhood. Not really neighborhood, but like you get the point. It's like super loud. And the RGB system is just really basic, and it's just these, it doesn't have the RGB mode that this has, which is just like which is just waves of RGB, which looks a lot better and much cleaner than this one. Also, another factor is that this is, I'm pretty sure, like a 60% keyboard, and as you can see, the whole box itself is actually smaller than my keyboard right now, which is a full-size keyboard, and I'm pretty sure this is a 60%, so it has like just this bit right here. And this whole box itself is smaller than the keyboard, like I just said, which includes the mouse and the keyboard, which shows how small the keyboard is, which gives me more room on my desk for activities like drawing and like homework and all that. So everything's just going to be much cleaner and much nicer. As you can see, my setup has been in full use currently, and I haven't had a chance to clean it at all, so it's just pretty messy right now. So yeah, bear with me. Okay, well, you guys are probably dying for me to unbox this thing, so let's go. So I currently got rid of my unboxing knife, so this is going to be a little bit underwhelming, but I'm just going to have to peel these stickers manually, so let's go. Okay, I'm just going to grab my scissors and just cut right through it, because that's going to save so much time. Alright, I got it open. So like every YouTuber, I'm going to be filming this with one hand, and let's go ahead and open it. Okay, these have been taken off. Oh, I think I have to go like this, and then pull it out. There we go. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So like the packaging is kind of crap. Not gonna lie. Well, it's not too bad. Like in terms of like putting the stuff where it needs to be, but the paper looks really awful. Okay. Not that it really matters, but yeah. Let's peel it back. Whoa. Okay. So I really like how it looks. So like these parts are silver, and this is just matte painted black, which is, I think this is like glossier than this material here, because this is like kind of rough, has a texture to it, but this is all like glossy and smooth. All right, let's try and clicking down the spacebar. Okay, doesn't sound as good as this. And that says a lot, because this thing sounds terrible. But yeah, it's definitely more quieter. Has that iconic membrane keyboard noise. But like, yeah, it's much better than having to hear this the whole night as my parents and my neighbors. So yeah. Next bit is the mouse, so let's get to opening this. Oh, okay, it has that little tab there. I'm gonna have to go both hands with this. Okay, so pulling the... Whoa, these are some weird cords. Alright, so they packaged it with the cords like both going in the same... Okay, there we go. So this is the mouse. Has a fairly long cable. It's not too long, not too short. Okay. This is like baking paper. Okay, pull it off. Whoa, the mouse looks cool. Alright, yeah, I like how this looks. I might actually make this my main. The mouse, the side buttons kind of feel weird, but it doesn't really matter since I don't use them that much anyways, apart from when playing Fortnite, like I use this to build. But feels super nice. And like, yeah, it's clicky. Really good looking design to it. Yeah, overall pretty good mouse, I'm pretty sure. Well, I'll have to put it to the test and see how it performs. Yeah. Alright, so I didn't really update you guys, but I just set this up, or just connected it to the PC, and yeah. So as you can see, it has this cool RGB wave design. Doesn't have, I don't think it has any like flashing lights or anything, but yeah. That's basically all there is. I'll try and figure out how to use, oh, there we go. Yeah, you can dim it. You can choose like different types of flashing. You can slow it down. Brightness up all the way, slow it down. That looks cool as well. So as you can see, it's like really small and it doesn't really take up any space on my desk, which is basically like the main reason why I got this, because it gives me so much more room, and I can just push it up and look, I have this whole desk, which I haven't had in a while since I've had that keyboard. So this is definitely like a huge win, so yeah. Okay, so finally we're gonna be doing a typing test, and yeah, I'm just gonna quickly type it out, and you guys can listen to the keyboard. I mean, it's nothing special since it's like just like a little membrane keyboard, but you can listen to it. So yeah, that was it for today's video, and hope you guys enjoyed.